step to help you identify the right coverage for your need. However, guide on how to find life insurance. Determine the amount of coverage you need considering factors such as your financial obligation, debit, future experience, and the well-being of your dependents. Familiarize yourself with different types of life insurance, including term life, whole life, and universal life. Each type have its own features and benefits. Look for reputable insurance companies that offer life insurance. Consider factors such as financial stability, customized receivers, and the company raptures. Take advantages of online tools and websites that allow you to compare your bill from multiple insurance providers. Their tools and streamline the process of finding the best rate. Speaks with insurance agents or brokers who can provide personalized advice based on your specific need. They can help you understand policy details and guide you through the application process. Some employers offer group life insurance as part of their benefit package. While this coverage may be limited, it's worth exploring as it could be a cost-effective option. Check online review and rating for insurance company to Vega customers and experience. Websites like JD, Power AM Best, and the National Association of Insurance can provide available insights. Be prepared to answer questions about your health and lifestyle during the application process. May require medical exams and request information about your habits to assess risk. Obtain quotes from different insurance to compare and coverage option. This can help you find the most cost-effective solution for your specific need. Before making an decision, carefully read the term and condition of your considering. Understand the coverage, exclusive, and may additional features or risk. Don't hesitate to ask questions when communicating with the insurance agent or brokers. Clarify and debate you may have about the policy or the claim process. Once you are chosen a policy, complete the application process. This may involve providing personal information, undergoing and medical examination, and every term of the policy. Remember that the right life insurance policy develops on your industrial circumstances and need. It advisable to take the time to research and company opinion before making a decision. If you have specific question or consult with the insurance who can provide guidance tailored to your situation. Familiarize yourself with different type of insurance, including term life, whole life, and universal life. Each type has its own features and benefits. Look for reputable insurance companies that offer its insurance. Consider factors such as financial stability, customized review, and the company reputation. Speak with the insurance agent or brokers who can provide personalized advice based on your specific need. They can help you understand policy detail and guide you through the application process. Check online review and rating for insurance companies for customers and experience. Websites like JD Power, AM Best, and the National Association of Insurance can provide. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.